Our body fat is largely determined by the food we eat. The first place to look is at your nutritional habits on a daily, but mainly on a weekly basis. So like, typically the biggest kind of culprits are going to be number one, snacking a lot, trying to reduce snacking. And number two is not having a whole lot of control over what they eat. So basically eating out or ordering in, where the chef who is cooking for you is trying to get you to have like return service and business, and basically they want the food to be as tasty as possible, which often comes at excess unneeded calories. And then also just the basics of eating to the point of fullness or past it, having desserts, and then, not drinking enough water and not getting enough fruits, vegetables, and protein. So it's quite an extensive kind of set of changes to make, but basically it's going to be not having a kind of plant-based whole food type of diet with two, maybe three square meals a day, and trying to cook as much as you possibly can with plenty of water throughout the day.